Hey there! Topping up your EE account with PayPal is super simple and quick. In this video, I'll show you how to get it done in just a few minutes. But first, let's talk about why using PayPal is a great option. PayPal offers a secure and convenient way to manage your payments, with the added benefit of quick transactions and buyer protection. Plus, you can easily track your spending and manage your budget. Now, let's get started with the steps. First, grab your smartphone or laptop and open your web browser. Navigate to the EE website, which is www.e.co.uk. Once you're there, log into your MyEE account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now that you're logged in, look for the Top Up option, usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Click on Top Up. You'll see various payment methods here, but today we're focusing on PayPal. Select PayPal as your payment method. Enter the amount you want to top up. EE offers various top-up options, so choose the one that suits your needs. After entering the amount, click Continue or Next. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Log in with your PayPal credentials. Don't worry, this is secure and safe. Once logged in, you'll see a summary of your top-up amount. Confirm the payment and voila! Your EE account is now topped up with the amount you entered. You should receive a confirmation email from both EE and PayPal. And there you have it. Topping up your EE account with PayPal is that easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.